My garden is giving me this lovely okra, so I'm going to taste it. This is a nice size okra. Very nice size. Welcome and welcome back to my small space garden oasis where I'm growing in extreme heat, zone 13 to be exact. My name is Stacey and this is my tiny space container garden where I'm growing a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. Of course, I'm going to wash it. Get the water. I forgot to put the water close by to me. Have you ever eaten okra raw before? Comment below and tell me how it tasted to you. Of course, okra is rich in vitamins A and C, and based on research, it has other antioxidants that helps to reduce serious health conditions like cancer, stroke, heart disease, diabetes. Yeah. And I saw where it's also rich in magnesium and folate. So this is a nice size okra, isn't it? I'm thinking about it like, oh well, let's taste it and see. I mean, I've also seen where some persons they cut up the okra, put it in water, and then have that water. Of course, do your own research. I'm no herbalist, I'm no physician, I'm no nothing to give you any advice or to confirm any of the information that I research and get from the internet. So do your own research, don't quote me for anything. Alright, so let us bite into it and see how it tastes. I don't know where to start. I've never. Alright, anyway, enough yada da da da. Let's just taste it. Bless it, Lord. Alright, okay, Ka. Okay. Alright, so I took off the top. If I had left this a little longer, it would have gotten very, very tough. But let me taste it. Guys, I think maybe I took too much of a big bite. It tastes alright. Like, it really tastes good. I love the taste. It tastes like when I do my stir fry. It just tastes okay. It's alright. And it has this little nice, it's not sweet, you know. It's not sweet. It just have a nice taste. So I love the taste. Yes, I love the taste. But whew, it is too slimy. Like that, it can't go down. Like, I would need to have a big guap of water for it to go down. Like, The taste and everything was fine, but it's just too slimy for me to swallow. I think I think that's the issue. But it's not bad. Like I thought it wasn't going to be a good experience. It's a good experience. I like it. I actually like it. I like it. I like it. But the slime, that's a no-no for me. I'm going to try a smaller piece and see if I can actually go down with the slime. Alright, so yeah, we can safely say that the slime is the issue. So like small portions, I can do this. I can do this, and it's actually good. I wasn't expecting it to be that good. So, so this is healthy for me. I'm going to start have it. I am literally going to start have it. I mean, in small portions, of course. So I think that was the drawback there. I took a big bite, so that's the issue right there. So yeah, you can try it, and you will see that it's not a big deal. It's actually good. This taste is really good. Comment below and tell me if you are going to try it, or after seeing me try it, if you're thinking about trying it. So I'll leave you here for today, and until tomorrow, walk good. I think I see a sweet stop over there. Yeah, I'm going to get that. Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Sugar apple.